So now in this circuit, we have an NPN bipolar junction transistor emitter follower. There's the emitter, there's the load. And we have a 12 volt Zener diode right there. So it's going to try to keep the emitter to ground about 12.6 volts when we got a high enough voltage. But in any case, it's always going to be about 12 volts. And we have a schematic over here that we can zoom in real quick right there. We're going to just make this a short demonstration. But in any case, there you can see we got 12 volts at the supply. I can go up to 20 volts. That extra current is what's going through the Zener diode to help maintain the voltage for the most part. But there's the LEDs. There you can see they're about the same brightness. Might be a little bit hard to tell. So I'm going to lower the voltage to 12 volts right there. Went to 20 to 12 right there, and they should have looked at pretty much the same. That's the way the voltage follower works. Got to make sure that Zener diode stays in place, or else you'll get that full voltage across the load, and that'd be bad for the LEDs. So now we come back to our NPN bipolar junction transistor voltage follower right there. We got 12 volt Zener diode, but it's going to fall a little short because right now at the supply we only have 12 volts. The main thing is, as I raise the supply voltage, which we're measuring right there, you're going to see the LEDs do not look to get any brighter. And so now we're at 20 volts right there. Let's look at the voltage across here. And it was a little bit over 11, which was a little less than what we expected. And actually, that's a little bit lower than what I was getting before. But yeah, we have a 150 ohm resistor limiting current, and it's holding 12 volts pretty well right there. A little bit better than it was. So yeah, there's the schematic for this. Again, we got about 12 volts there. It's going to maintain the voltage across the load even as we get up to about 20 volts. And so it will drift a little bit, but there you can see 20 volts. And most of that current is going, or a lot of that current's going through the Zener diode.